gold analysis. Now we want to analyze the gold for the next week. All right, whatever we analyze here base is what we expect will happen next week. All right, and for the trading based on the lower time frame, okay, because whatever you mention here is based on higher time frame. For those traders, they want to trade. If they look for they're looking for the long-term trade, they want to keep the trade, they can use our analysis, I mean what we expect, our expectation. All right, but for those traders based on the lower time frame, they need to follow the chart. That's mean right now we give the analysis what we expect, what kind of the possibility may happen next week. Then in during the weeks we give the, if we get any setup trade from there, we give a view or I mean overview for the trading. Then from there we can trade. Anyway, we need to know what will happen, what is the our expectation for the next week. Anyway, right now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see since last week, since last even 2 weeks, we have this correction, and this correction is not yet finished. Okay, because we are not sure, the price still can drop to this level or from here can reverse. Okay, as we can see based on the daily chart, we don't have much more information. In this case, we move to forward chart. Based on the forward chart, our analysis since last week is not changed because the price have been within this range since last few days, I mean since last week. Okay, now again same, the possibility we have, the first one is we have this tree and we will get this, we call it running flat. The spin price without coming to this low, whether from here a bit lower, there is a possibility to reverse. That means we will get this. The another one is the price can come to this high low or even lower, we are not sure, because in that case we will have the expanding flat. The expanding flat, the price can come to here, hit the low, reverse, or even come lower. Any of them can happen. Okay, in any case, based on the running flat or base expanding flat, we will have this. But the question is whether from here or we need to wait the price come to this level, I mean this level. Okay, the another option is that this is the three wave correction in regarding to this, and the price have to come to this level. That means we should get this. Then from there, whether here or lower, we need to make a decision for the reversal or continuation. Okay, now how are we going to trade? Because as we say, there is a possibility reversal here, or there is a possibility the price come to, I mean, drop down. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Okay, last week, in our last video, when the price was somewhere around here, we say we will have this tree, these two we put together become a correction, we will get this. This is what we get already. Now the question, the price, this one is over, the price can reverse or not. Okay, right now again, how about if we put this one as a correction, this one is a tree wave, and this one drop correction. Do we need to expect the one move down? That means this one tree wave with this and correction 1 2 3, then reverse or not? We are not sure. We need to wait for the next week. But that means selling or buying within this range without having the trade setup is not a good idea. Then how are we going to trade? From now what we can see, we don't have anything for the drop. That means we cannot say whether we get a flag or anything else we can sell. Okay, the only thing right now I can say that when the market open, what we have here, if we get a small flag, still we can look for buy. All right, if we see small flag here, small correction, okay, we can have entry above this. This is what we can what we see right now. If we get, we can look for buy. If we get the buy, as long as the price come to this level, we move our stop loss to break even, because there is a possibility price come here and reverse. The another option, do we need to, if we draw our trend line here, do we want to trade when the price break, I mean the breakout of this one? No, I mean within this range, the small range, since the first option was here. But if the price hit the, move and break the trend line within this range, we won't buy. The only times we buy if the price come to here, break the top, give a small flag over the correction, then from there we can look for buy. Alright, because as I say, what happened here may repeat here. The price come to here, we get a deeper correction. That's meaning that times this one will be correction. Then we get one more relative to this. Okay, this is what we can expect. If we get by Monday, we can trade it. But as I say, selling or buying without any confirmation without this is not a good idea, because maybe this one will be similar to channel and this one can repeat and repeat, because based on the higher time frame, what was our expectation. All right, but as we can see here, the prices keep dropping, drop, but when we refer to the MACD, we can see the moment is losing the momentum. That means we should the price what we're expecting, there is a reversal here. Again, this MACD divergence, it doesn't mean it have to be, we have to, it will reverse. But if we get a buy setup, as I say, we are interested. In this case, we just follow the market and we see when the market open what we'll get, and from there we can trade it. And for those traders, they wanna trade the flag or any correction, when we get the trade in 2 to 3 hours, if we see the trade is not moving or consolidating, we take out the trade. This is right now what I can say. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and when the market open, if I see any update, any trade setup, any opportunity, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.